Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna do what we call Nigerian pap. In Igbo it's called akamu, in Yoruba it's called ogi. So we're gonna do that using the blender and the juicer. So it's kind of life made easy. You don't have to do it the traditional way, and it just comes out really nice. So I'm gonna talk you through from the start to the finish. Come on guys, let's do it. Right guys, here comes the process. So before ever you start this, you have to soak the corn for 3 to 5 days. So my one, I tried to soak it for 3 days, but you have to always change the water once a day. Wash it and change the water and ensure that it's always with a clean water. So into the blender you pour the maize, and I use the crush button. I'm using the Ninja blender and it does the magic. As you can see, it's all done now, all really done. It's ready to go to the juicer. Here comes the juicer, and into the juicer you pour it gradually. It depends on the kind of juicer you're using. You pour it gradually and ensure that you are not using the highest speed. So I plug in the juicer and try to juice it. So push the button, as you can see I'm doing it, and then it starts to separate the chaff from the main thing that we need, which is the akamu or the pap or the ogi. Now it's ready. Guys, look at that. Look at what we've got. Look at what we've got from 2 packs of maize. It's so amazing. It's so quick. It's life made easy. And I did stop there. I used muslin to put in the chaff, because I know definitely some will still come out from that. So I'm gonna leave this over the night and see what it comes out with the next day. Now the next step is to get a fresh clean plate that you can, as you can see, you pour in everything and ensure that the lid is well tight. You cover it. I'm gonna leave it till the next day and we'll see what comes out. The next day is supposed to get separated. So here comes it. This is the next day. As you can see, it's already separated. The main thing is down. So we're gonna sieve out gently, sieve out the water, and there comes out pap. Guys, look at that. Look at that. This is life made easy. So if you are in abroad, you can do it. You can have your fresh pap, fresh pap. You don't have to wait till when grandma is coming, when mommy is coming, or whatever. Look at that. It's ready, guys. It's ready for your consumption. You can't beat that. Look at the texture, guys. You can't beat that. Now guys, we're gonna do an experiment. The water is boiling now. We're gonna see if we actually got what we did. Are we ready? Are we steady? Are we ready for the result? I am panicking. Is it gonna come out good? Oh my gosh! I'm so salivating right now. All right, it's about to unveil. Let's see. Boom! Look at that! It worked, guys. Look at that. I mean, if you've got your blender, if you've got your juicer, come on, go for it. Go for it. It's super right in front of you, waiting for consumption. I can't wait to munch this. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I'm ever ready to put you through. If you want to try this, just give me a shout and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.